This millet porridge recipe is the perfect breakfast for your gut health. I have used finger millets or ragi for this recipe. Let's get started. Add a quarter cup of ragi flour into a bowl. Add a teaspoon of salted cinnamon. Mix in 1 cup of cold water and make it into a slurry. Now add 4 cups of boiling water into a saucepan. Add in this slurry and whisk it thoroughly and bring it to a boil. Now add half a cup of dates to a blender with 3 tablespoons of the cooking porridge. Blend it into a thick paste, and this is our sugar for the porridge. Add all of this to the porridge and whisk it really well. Add in some water to the blender to make sure you get every last bit of the dates. Whisk it one last time and then serve super hot. Top it up with your favorite fruits. I've used bananas, strawberries and Chikoo. Let's add some healthy fat in the form of flaxseed powder and hemp hearts. And for the crunch, we've used some cacao nibs. Your gut is going to thank you for this recipe. Follow us for more.